Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable an advanced BIOS settings on your HP computer. So basically what you'll need to do is first of all turn on your computer, then spam on F9. So let's do that. I will spam on F9. It's going to load into the boot menu. So I will keep spamming that. And as you can see, now we are in the boot menu. And now what we'll need to do is basically by clicking on Control button and F1 key. So let's do that. Control, as you can see, and F1. All right, and now what we'll need to do is click on F10, and that should load into advanced settings. But as you can see, for me it's disabled still. The advanced settings is disabled, so that means it is locked and I can't unlock right now. So basically what you'll need to do is see if you have an advanced settings right now, because sometimes it helps. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.